Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've been doing this for a long time. I worked for IRS for 10 years. I've been in private practice for, believe it or not, 40 years. I've been doing this for 50 years. Welcome to my YouTube station, the home of the 5-minute or less video. I want to talk to you today. Oh, by the way, I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I have a whole team of former IRS agents, tax attorneys, CPAs. We do IRS resolution very well, and we are national experts. We can represent anybody in any state. I started this station for 3 reasons: so you know the truth, so you don't get ripped off, and to educate you. There's a lot of people in this space. It's a high dollar industry, and there's a lot of people that don't know what they're doing. There's a lot of good people out there, but there's a lot of people that are going to take your money and really not know how to do the work effectively. Got a little bit of flu bug. I want to talk to you today about the IRS Policy Statement 5-133. Very few people know about the policy statement, and the policy statement is for unfiled back tax returns. There's many people who have not filed back tax returns. God, I would imagine probably 10 to 20 million people haven't filed for well over 6 years. IRS knows that, so they're trying to accommodate everyone to get everybody back in the system. So IRS years ago created a policy statement. You can look it up, put IRS Policy Statement 5-133, and you will find out that IRS only requires you to file the last 6 years. Now, IRS, if they want, can go back and go ahead and change that if they think there's an asset base or fraud or something going on. I did see those cases when I was an agent. I recommended people to go back further, but for most of you right now hearing my voice, you can use that IRS policy statement to only file the last 6 years worth of returns. It's easy to get back in the system. You may not know this, but if you go to irs.gov and ask for your transcripts, your wage and income transcripts, you will find out IRS has all your 1099s and W-2s that people reported on you right in the system. It just sits right there, and you can access them yourself. One day, IRS will either knock on your door or they're going to file their returns for you under the Substitute for Return program. It's far better for you to stop worrying and stop being afraid and just file your tax returns. Like our firm, we go ahead and file and settle all at the same time. You can't settle for about 6 to 8 weeks later. The returns have to process on the computer, and then we can either get your case in currently non-collectible hardship or payment agreement, or maybe an offer and compromise if you qualify. It takes about a year to get an offer and compromise in and through. So anyway, if you're one of those people who have not filed your returns for years and years, IRS Policy Statement 5-133 protects you. If this information was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I'm welcome for any comments, observations. You want me to do a YouTube on something, I'm welcome to hear it. Leave in the comments section. Once again, I thank you for the subscription. You want to know anything, I'm available for consultations and representation. Thank you.